Hello, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm pointing so aggressively, but today's video, if you could not guess by my hair clips, is to review the Rudolph and Colourpop Collection. Rudolph is one of my favorite holiday movies. It's probably my favorite of like the animated. I don't know what to say today. I'm just not gonna babble because I feel like I always have these long intros of me babbling, and let's just jump right into it. So obviously I got the hair clips. I want to say they were like $7. There are bundles. I think the hair clips are sold out, but last time I checked there were parts of the collection left. So depending on when this goes up, hopefully there is still something if you want to get your hands on it. This is not a first impression. I have been using it already. Spoiler alert, the palette blew me away. So I think I'm just going to get started and I'm going to put on a lip because right now I feel naked and I feel like I have no lips because I have foundation on them. So we're going to do that first. Quick kitty litter. Quick little overview of what I got. I got the clips. I got the palette. Like, look at this packaging though, you guys. Stop. Like, are you kidding? Oh! I got two of the little lip kits. The one with Rudolph, one with Clarice on it. Hope you guys can see that. I think the Clarice is like a nude, which, yes, I've already worn this. This is like a nudie pink. The one with Rudolph is red, of course. And then I did get, I think this is technically, yeah, it's technically a body shimmer. Can you guys see the packaging? I am going to wear it like a highlight though. We'll see. I feel like maybe I should bring you in closer. This is the packaging on the highlighter. It's got Rudolph on it. We're just going to throw a lip on right now. So this is in the shade I Think You're Cute. She thinks I'm cute. I've never tried a Colourpop liner and I used it the other day and I really like them. How many of you are done holiday shopping? How many of you had their shopping done months ago? And how many of you are like me, who is a last minute shopper? Every year I say I'm not gonna be, but I am. So hopefully you guys can see that. It is like a very pretty nude pink sort of shade. It's kind of like my lip color, but a little more enhanced. The formula is very creamy. I don't expect this to wear a super duper long time. It is one you'll definitely have to reapply, but as it goes with hydrating products. So that is the I Think You're Cute Lip Duo liner and lipstick. Let me see how much this costs by itself. Okay, so the lip duos are $16 a piece. I did the bundle for the both of them for $32. The only thing I did not get from the collection are, I wasn't interested in the glosses. I was not interested in the lip balm, and then there was like a bath fizzer. So those are the three things I did not get. So these were $16 a piece. I'm gonna put the red one on at the end, I think. We're gonna try this. It's actually part of the Soul, which is their like body line, and I've not tried this yet. We're gonna wear it like a regular highlight and just see how it goes. This is $12. And it's considered a mini. So it has like a pinky hue to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mainly just wanted it because it actually had Rudolph on the package itself. The highlighter's fine. I'm not like blown away by the highlighter, but it's cute. Like, I'll wear it. Don't hate it, don't love it. But it has Rudolph on the front of it, so not just the box. So, not mad that I bought it. Alright, we're just going to jump into the eyeshadow palette, and I feel discombobulated. I think that's the only other thing. We'll do the eyeshadow palette, and then we'll do the red lipstick at the end. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I just like figured out how to use TikTok yesterday. I know, late to the party, what can I say? So I'm trying to like make TikToks as I go too. I'm not good at that kind of stuff, you guys. So yes, I have used this palette. This shade, Snowbank, right here, one of the most beautiful shimmers I have ever used. So we're gonna use that today probably, as long as it goes with the look I wanna do. I've used a lot of these neutral pinks and some of these brown and burgundies, which I actually really like the color story of this. But I think we have to try this green. I mean, why not? Especially if we're putting the red lip on at the end. So we're going to use this green. It's called Christmassy Time. You guys, I do not have many Colourpop palettes, and I feel like I've been missing out. They are so nice. They blend out so good. And they are, they are super pigmented. So I'm just going to keep that green like kind of up high in the crease. I'm not going to blend really many shades in the crease because I don't want it to get muddy. I want this green to stay like a true green. Sometimes I feel like you want to have a transition shade and a bazillion shades in the crease, but when you're dealing with colors like this, I feel like less is actually more. Maybe that's just me. Like, that looks so good already. Like, I really don't even want to do much more. I'm going to take a smaller brush and use the same exact color, Christmassy Time, on the lower lash. I feel like this is going to be the quickest eyeshadow look, but I don't know, sometimes you just don't need more than like 2 or 3 colors. But for review purposes, I have used the other colors and they are phenomenal. I'm just gonna, with that same small brush, pack on this outer corner here. I always tap my brush, especially working with dark colors, but I'm like not even getting any fallout. Hopefully I'm not blocking what I'm doing. Sometimes I wish I could talk to you guys and get like a live vote while I'm doing this, because I'm like, do I use the green? Do I use the gold that I know I like? I went a little high on the side. Gold or green? Ooh. Let me swatch this green. I don't know if you guys can see that on my hand. The green is really, oh, there we go. The green is really pretty, but I just know I used that gold the other day and it's stunning, so I kind of want to use it again. So I think that's what we're going to do. It's like a, not like a true gold. It's like a rose gold almost. So I'm going to take a little bit. Let me show you guys without even spraying it. Like, can you see already like how shimmery it is? And then when I wet it, it's like completely foiled. And I didn't even lay down any wet concealer or anything. Can you see it? Like looking at my computer to see if you guys can see. Like that is one of the most reflective pressed powder shades I think I've ever used. Probably would have been even better if I put some concealer down, kind of carved out the lid, but I don't know. Like I said, sometimes less is more, you guys. Okay, I hope you guys can see, and I'm going to bring the camera closer at the end, but how reflective that shimmer is. It is so pretty. Why didn't I know about Colourpop shadows? I have their Super Shock shadows, but I've been sleeping on their pressed powder shadows, truly. Alright, we're just going to kind of clean up that crease a little bit. And then I'm going to go throw on some liner and mascara, no lashes. I'm off today. I'm being lazy. I'm obviously filming in my robe. So let me go put some liner on, some mascara. We'll change into the red lip and I will be right back. Okay, so this is literally just 2 colors on the eye. I put Christmassy Time on the lower lash line and in my crease. And then I put Snowbank, this like rose gold coppery color all over the lid. I hope you guys can see it. And then I'm going to take off this lip. We're going to try on the red and wrap it all up. I'm going to try on the red. It's called There's Always Tomorrow. This is the one with Rudolph on the box. I literally sing this song all the time. So yeah. Ooh. This is the only part of the collection I did not try yet. The liner is very pretty. So just like the other formula, very creamy. I don't expect it to wear a super long time. So just make sure you don't mind reapplying if this is the red you choose, but it is a very pretty color and a very comfortable formula on the lip. So, overview. The lip kits, 16 each. There is a bundle for 32. Let's see. The I Think You're Cute with Clarice is like a pinky nude. The There's Always Tomorrow with Rudolph on it is the red, which every time I look over here, I'm kind of digging the red. The hair clips are $7. I believe they're sold out. I don't know if they're coming back. The highlight was probably my least favorite of the stuff that I bought, but I'll use it. It's pretty and it has Rudolph on the actual packaging. And then, so that was 12. And then the palette, which has the best packaging. If you're going to buy one thing from the collection, this is what I would say to buy for sure. How cute. The colors are stunning. They're very pigmented. They blend out easy. So definitely recommend the palette, which is dun, 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 $24. So yes, if I were to recommend one thing, which it looks like it's still still in stock online, is the palette. A lot of this stuff is still in stock, but of all the stuff in stock, I would definitely recommend the palette. And I think that's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna take these out. My hair is probably looking a little crazy. But, okay, that's all I have for you guys. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, by the way, so thank you guys. If we can just keep going. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I always put my face in the little bubble you can click on and subscribe. I feel like this was short and sweet, but you know what, that's okay because I feel like I ramble on in a lot of my videos. And yeah, let me know down below. Let's talk in the comments. Was your shopping done already? Was it done in October? Was it done in July? Are you still shopping? Are you gonna be a last minute shopper like me? Do you want snow? Do you hate snow? I personally love snow and I want more. Everybody gets mad at me when I say it, but let's talk down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.